Pop quiz. Which of these do you think has more alcohol in them? 4 Miller Lights or 1 Tallboy lime-a-rita? The answer is they contain about exactly the same. This has 47 grams of pure ethanol, whereas this has 46.7 grams of pure ethanol. That's less than a 1% difference of alcohol between the two. If you're going to become a smarter drinker, then you need to know how many drinks you're actually consuming. In the United States, a standard drink is defined as 14 grams of pure ethanol. And conveniently, that comes out to 12 ounces of 5% ABV beer, 5 ounces of 12% ABV wine, and 1.5 ounces of 40% ABV hard liquor. I have a really simple way of calculating standard drinks. I've been doing it ever since I was a poor college student, and I was trying to figure out how I could get the most alcohol per drink while at the bar. It's really simple. All you do is you multiply the ABV percent on the label by the amount of ounces that you're consuming, and then dividing by 60. So for example, let's take this Budweiser. It's a 12-ounce can, it's 5% ABV, so we're going to do 5 times 12, which is 60, and then we're going to divide by 60, which is 1. Therefore, this can of Budweiser is exactly 1 standard drink and contains 14 grams of pure ethanol. Now let's make the math a little bit more complicated. So this right here is a lime-a-rita. It's 8% ABV, and it's a 25-ounce can. So 8 times 25 is 200, and 200 divided by 60 is 3 1/3. Therefore, this lime-a-rita right here is exactly 3 1/3 standard drinks. Now this looks like a whole lot more alcohol than the lime-a-rita, but if we do the math, you'll see it's pretty much exactly the same. So I have 48 ounces of 4.2% Miller Lite here. That comes out to 201.6. Now if we take 201.6 and divide it by 60, then we get 3.36 standard drinks, which is pretty much exactly the same as the 3.33 that we have with the lime-a-rita. So there you have it. Calculating standard drinks is extremely easy. If you're going to be a smarter drinker, then you need to know how many drinks you're actually having. Cheers.